Amigos, welcome to my kitchen. This is Fatima and this is my kitchen, Fatima Spanish Kitchen. Here you will find Spanish recipe from my country of origin, Spain. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Si no han estado aquí antes, soy Fátima y aquí encontrarás recetas de mi país de origen, España. Today I'm going to share with you such an easy and simple recipe that I grew up with. That is what I'm saying is the mayonnaise made it in your home. In Spain, how I grew up in my home, we always make the mayo. We didn't go to buy it. And also if you follow keto diet, that will be perfect because you don't have sugar when the one that you buy. As always, at the end of this video, you will find all the ingredients needed for the recipe. But as I always said, you know, the ingredient, you can change it as, you know, if you like too much spicy, if you like more garlic, you always can do it as you want it. Your kitchen, you know, you are the owner of your kitchen, not myself. I just wanted to show you how to make it. Okay, the ingredient that we are going to use to make that wonderful mayonnaise is simple. Olive oil, some vinegar. I'm using the cherry vinegar, strong. If you want to use another vinegar, feel free. Some garlic, an egg, and some salt. I'm using one egg. If you're going to use more quantity, you know, you can use two. I'm using just one egg, that is organic egg. And I'm going to put some salt and then garlic. I'm using one garlic, that is such a big one, so I think I'm going to use, you know, and if you have that vein, I think that one is so fresh that doesn't have much vein. I'm going to use half because I think that one is too strong. You know, that is depend how much garlic you wanted, but I wanted to make it mild, not very strong. I'm going to use just a little bit of vinegar, the cherry vinegar, and now the olive oil. It's regular olive oil, and I'm going to put like half a cup, and then that is the trick to make the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise can be separated, so one thing is you need a hand blender. I just put it down, and then I'm not going to move it until everything gets mixed together. So that is the trick. So you leave it like this until you see when it gets to make it thicker. So you see that it's all together, and then it's when you start to moving it. But before that, you don't touch it, because then it will be separated, and then you have to throw it away. When you see how is now I'm starting, and as much oil you put, more thicker will get. So depend how you wanted to use it. You see, I'm going to add a little bit of more oil. And it's done. You see, the mayonnaise is done. So the trick is, if you wanted more thick, the mayonnaise, depend how you wanted to use it, you put more oil. And if you want more liquid, because you wanted to put on top of a fish, to put it in the oven or something, you wanted more liquid, is less oil, as well as the vinegar. So if you want more strong, you put more vinegar. So that is like, but the balance, but you can see that is the most easy way to make the mayonnaise. You see how is the consistency, is so creamy, perfect, you know. Then you have it, you know, with shrimp. You can put it in a sandwich with a tuna can, and I'm just going to try. Perfect. If you're following keto, that will be great. To store it, you just put it in the container, you know, close it, and put it in the refrigerator, and I think will last 4 or 5 days. That will be in perfect condition. Also, if instead of vinegar you want to use lemon, feel free to use it, and that is give you the acidity for the mayonnaise. So that is the recipe of today, the mayo. So now don't go to buy it, use it, make it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the subscribers that I'm getting this channel. I really appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it and ring the bell so you will be notified when I upload another video. So thank you so much. You take care, and I see you next week. Bye bye.